Hi guys, how are you all? Hi Arush, good to see you Arush. Just give me 1 second. இது? அதுவும் இல்லாம போனல அதுவும் Hi Arush, hi Parvin. Sorry Arush, I think there was some problem with the welcome email, right?
Yeah, it's fun
The
now.
script did not run. I don't know why. Let me look at it later, okay? It needs some debugging. I thought it was automated. I'll check. Parvini, what's up, Parvini? Were you able to go through the homework?
Yeah, I'll submit it after class.
1 second, 1 second. I'm not able to hear you. What is that?
I'll submit it after class.
Okay, but you were able to go through?
Yeah.
See, were you able to go through the video and understand what was in there, Arush?
I think for the most part, yeah.
For the most part, okay. Okay, do you want me to review that? I don't know, I can. Shall we review that quickly? Let's see. Limits in a graph is what we did last week, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but did we do a table? No, we didn't, right? Okay, I don't want to review this one, but let's see. Graphical, okay. Just give me 1 second. Yeah, limits analytically, limits graphically. Yeah, this one is what I want to review. Okay. Okay, let's see this one. This is a good review, I feel. Let's see this one. This is a review of what we did last week. First we'll review and then move on to limits analytical. Are you able to see this?
Yeah.
Here, you can send the answer in chat. A, B, C, D numbers. So you can send it in chat. No, Manav is not in here. I don't know what is going on. Go ahead. Would you be able to take it forward or do you need help here? Manav is coming, Krish is coming late. So let's see. Manav, good to see you, Manav.
Oh,
Did you have a chance to go over the previous class video?
I saw a bit of it. Doesn't I think I already know it. Pretty sure.
You already
From
knew all of it?
I think from pre-calc I remember this.
What?
I think I remember this from pre-calc. So
Yeah, but some of it is new. I don't know whether you saw that part. Okay, let's go ahead and see. See, there is a left limit, right limit, and all coming in, right?
yeah,
Did you understand all of it?
yeah.
Okay, good. Then go ahead. So we are trying to review what we learned. So if you can go ahead, give me the answer for this. I can go to see the target for today is to cover analytical limits. Then we go on with asymptotes. Then we go on with continuities, discontinuities. Discuss the types of discontinuities and stuff. So
Okay.
let's first review this graphical limits based on the graph first. Oh wow, Parvini, did you go over the stuff that we learned last week?
Yeah.
Wow, nice, ma, very nice. Arush and Manav, I'm waiting for your answers. Let's try, guys. And I want you to be able to draw one diagram from the description of the function.
I can't see the questions anymore.
What is it, ma?
I can't see the questions anymore. Yeah, that's better.
Okay, good to know. Okay, good to know. Okay. Manav, you're able to answer these?
Yeah, some of these were kind of weird.
Weird, okay. See that piece only is different from pre-calc. So
Oh,
which one is different? You can let me know. I'll help you, but let me know first which ones are weird for you.
was um is B undefined?
You got the answer for A, huh?
I sent my answers.
Oh, you sent your answers. Oh, okay, yeah, okay. Manav, did you go? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see.
Oh, I think I mixed it up.
Somewhere something feels wrong to me though.
Oh wait, isn't it just one?
Yeah.
I think it's just one. I made a mistake.
Lemma, something is wrong. Wait. I think we are taking time. That's okay. Let's see. So you have. Yeah, the last three seem fine. For that matter, D, E, F, G, H, I seems fine. D, E, F, G, H, I seems fine. A, B, C are incorrect. Arush, I'm checking one. It's not.
I was confused on D.
See, undefined is different from does not exist. We discussed this last class, right? Undefined is when you have operations like division by zero, then only you can say undefined. Limit, whenever it comes to limit, you have to say does not exist. The limit there does not exist.
Okay.
Yeah, now to Arush, F is incorrect, Arush. Let's see what is the problem. Okay, where is the board? I'm a little off, guys. Hold on. Okay, this is there. This is the board. Okay, let's see. So which one should I explain now? I'm getting confused. 3 plus,
Explain
right?
C and D.
C and D. Okay. A, did you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so C and D you want, right? For C, limit extending to 0 f of x, right? Okay, we are not discussing the value of f of 0. We are discussing when x is tending to 0, what is the value of f of x. So, for that, right, for finding limits at a particular value, right, we have to see the left limit and the right limit. Let's see that. We'll find the left limit and the right limit, meaning this is extending to 0. So what you need to find is you have to find the left limit and you have to find the right limit. This is the difference, Manav. If you watch the video, if you look through what we discussed for AB Calc, it's definitely not the same as what we studied last year. So this is the left limit, this is the right limit. You have to evaluate both to find out limit extending to 0 f of x. Okay, why? The left limit means the left side of the limit, right? This piece, let me put it like this. Left limit is this part, the right limit is this part, meaning going out of it. So going into it, right, from the left side, right, that is the left limit. So that, what is the value of that? So this would be, it is going up till 1, right? This is 1. Similarly, from 1, see, there is a hole at 1. We are not discussing f of 0. We are not discussing f of 0, but we are discussing the right side of f of 0. So as a result, that also, it looks as if it is coming out of 1. Since the left limit is equal to the right limit, whenever the left limit is equal to the right limit, you can say that limit extending to 0. See, this is minus and plus. Since both are equal, you can say this is as well equal to 1. However, f of 0 is a 2. There is no limit in here. Do you see it? That's the difference. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
So this has to be 1 because you will have to consider the left limit and right limit. Suppose if left limit has a value of 2, right limit is a value of 1, then in that case this limit will not exist. Make sense? Left
So
limit is not, yeah?
So do you choose the one that's at f of 0?
I didn't get you, Manu. What is that?
Like you choose the defined value at 0 and put it there?
For which one, ma?
Like for x approaches 0.
X approaches 0, you have to find the left limit and right limit. F of 0 is 2. You got it?
Yeah.
Limit x approaches 0, then that f of x is, here it was 1 because both the left and right limits are 1. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, what other questions did you make a mistake on? I can help. Did you get it? Arush, what answer did you go wrong with? Did you understand?
Yeah, I think so.
Is the right limit goes to 1?
Yeah, right limit means right side of 0. What happens? It looks as if it comes out of 1, right?
Yeah.
So, yes. 0 plus, just after 0, what happens? It looks as if it is starting from a 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what else did you have answers incorrect, Manav? I can help with it.
I think D.
D, okay. D, what happens?
You're
Extending
right,
to,
but I didn't understand it.
See, extending to 3 means here. What is the left limit, right limit? That's a little different. See here. The story about 3 is entirely different. Limit extending to 3 minus is the left limit, right? F of x.
Yeah.
First you need to find this out, and then you need to find extending to 3 plus right limit you need to find out. So 3 minus means what? Left of this, right? So that would be a minus 2. Right of this seems to be a 1. Since both the values are different, I can clearly say extending to 3 f of x does not exist. Make sense?
Yeah. And then for C, we just find the left and right, and then
Yeah, for C, find the left and right. Left is going to 1, right is coming from 1. So since the left limit is equal to the right limit, this is equal to 1. However, when there is no limit f of 0, actually is a 2. You got it? Any questions, Arush?
No.
Can I move on?
if they were like if x approached 0 from the left side, it was different than the right side, then what would you put? Would it be does not exist?
Can you write your question down?
Yeah.
Because it's a little scary to answer your question without understanding what
Like
you're asking.
x equals 0 approaches like this, and then from the right side it's going like here. Like it goes to a different value.
So let's put it out nicely. Is that a hole here? Is that a dot here?
Yeah. Like
Okay,
how the
yeah. F of x. Okay, limit extending to 0 minus. Let's say this is a 2, this is a 3. 0 minus is tending to a 2, correct?
yeah.
Limit extending to 0 plus is tending to a 3, correct?
Yeah.
The left limit is not equal to the right limit, correct?
Yeah.
In this scenario, limit extending to 0 f of x does not exist.
So they have to be equal.
Yes.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Krish, you remember, right, Krish? We are just reviewing what we learned last week and I have to go to analytical limits today.
Okay, yeah, I remember.
One more, maybe one more, quick one more. I don't know. Yeah, see this one. I can't give you the answers, right? Oh my gosh, I forgot. How about this? अरे साहब ना हमसे नहीं साहब. Can you check this? See, I don't want to review so much of time because then we can't finish what we wanted to finish as well. Guys, did you get it? We'll go to analytical limits, guys. If you can do it quickly, then we can go to analytical limits. I don't want any gaps in here. Were you able to do? Did you guys get it, guys?
I'm
You're stuck.
halfway
If you're
done.
stuck, please ask immediately. We'll finish and move on. Where are you stuck? You let me know. I'm okay going over it. Okay, Manav, I'm checking. Wait, I don't have time. Oh my god, Manav got it. He caught up. Arush caught up. Parvini caught up. Nice. Krish, did you get all of it?
I'm about to say.
Okay, cool. Okay, you can shout out if you want to. 42421 minus 2. Did you get it?
Yeah.
433. You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on then. Okay, one more question related to revision, but you need to draw the graph now. Let's see. Only one though. With that, we'll move on, guys, because it's taking too much time. Let's see this one. You're going to sketch the graph for this one. Please do your homework, otherwise you can't follow, because you're not learning in school now, right? So you definitely need to do your homework, otherwise it's very hard to follow the next lesson. Sketch a graph of a function f that satisfies the following conditions. Each of your answer will differ, but I want to see the graph. Okay, let's see, guys. Do you get the graph? Each of your answers may differ, but then you should have a graph that satisfies all the conditions. Do you guys get it? You want to show the graph? Are you able to draw the graph, Parvini?
Yeah.
How about you, Krish?
I'm about to be.
Okay. Manav, you're able to draw?
Yeah. I was just finding like a spot on my paper to draw.
Nice. If you're able to, great, guys. Okay. I'm glad.
I think I'm done.
Yeah. Can you show? Just show me the graph.
You know where the red bag is? Oh, never mind.
But why is it continuous? Can you show me, Arush? I feel like it's not obeying a couple of things, right? Okay. That doesn't seem right. Okay, let me see. But Krish, the graph, okay, I saw all the three of yours. Okay. Parvini, I think that seems okay. So let's see one by one, meaning I really want to see how this graph works. I can show you, but see whether every condition is met. I feel like f of minus 2 is a 5. F of minus 2 is a 5. So this is a dot. I did this. And limit extending to 2, f of x is a 1 means left and the right limit of minus 2, right? Left and the right limit of minus 2 should be pointing to a 1. Does it make sense? Does it make sense? Now, when f is increasing when x is less than minus 2, that means it should be like this, right? And then here, again it was a 1, so something like this or like this is okay, right? Either of it is okay. So this is good. And then minus 4, okay. 4 plus is a 3. 4 plus is a 3. 4 plus is a 3 means, let me draw something here. 4 plus is a 3. So it can go anywhere, up or down. Now, however, 4 minus is less than 4 plus. 4 minus is less than 4 plus. 4 minus is less than 4 plus means I can have anywhere, let's say this. Can I have it like this? This is how the graph should look like, right guys? This can be deleted. Make sense? Did I make sense? F of minus 2 is a 5. That's correct. F of minus 2 is a 5. This one defines it. Left limit of minus 2, left limit of minus 2, left limit of minus 2 and right limit of minus 2 should be a 1. Perfectly makes sense. We did that. and then 4 plus is a 3. That's correct. And f is increasing when x is less than minus 2, f is increasing. This arrow tells you that perfectly. And then 4 minus 4 plus. 4 minus limit is less. This is the 4 minus limit. So basically the 4 minus limit is at 0. 4 plus limit is at 3. So we are correct. Everything is obeyed. Did your graph obey everything?
I had the same except like mine was like a bit flipped. So, could you? Is it fine if you flip the? What do I?
You can draw it on the board and I can tell you.
It's like. Okay, I'll just draw it.
Or send the picture to me in the chat. That's also fine.
I think it's easier if I draw. So.
Okay, draw.
So it's okay. My question was like if you can draw like this, the hole here, and then the arrow.
Yeah, you can do.
And then I did this, and then I did this. Actually, no, this was a hole. Okay, this is a hole, and then this is a point. This is a point. This is a hole.
You know what? Okay. I have a question to you here. This is not obeyed. You see it? See,
But it said
obeyed,
but x is increasing though.
Huh?
It's saying x is increasing.
F is increasing on x less than 2. Oh, F is decreasing. Do you see? Make sense? Does it make sense?
It's increasing on less than -2, so I thought like I could just it would start increasing from then.
See, x less than -2 means this domain, the graph has to be increasing. You got it? Do you see it? Okay, is there anybody who wants to put their graph and ask if they have done it right, or can I move on? Please, guys, you have to let me know.
Oh, I think I get it.
You got it? Okay. Others, how about the others? Did you get it?
I got.
Okay. Arush and Parvini, can I move on? Or do you want to show the graph and put the graph on the board and ask questions?
I got
Yeah,
it.
this is wrong. For me, it was wrong.
But you got how to do?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, let's please move on to analytical limits. That's what I wanted to do today. I don't know asymptotes. Okay, so basically, how did we define limit last week? That's the y value of a function approaches at a given x value, right? So now analytically means what? We were always using the help of a graph last week to find out limits. However, if you want to do analytically means we are going to do based out of algebra. Okay, so one thing is there are a couple of set ways, okay, to define limits analytically. Meaning you're going to work out equations, use algebra to find out the limits. Okay, so that's what it is about. One thing is you can directly substitute, okay, and then you can directly substitute. One is direct substitution, factor and substitute.
Miss Priya,
Yama?
isn't it factor or cancel?
Factor, yeah. See, factor and cancel, yeah. Or okay, so you'll factor, cancel, and then substitute. You see what I mean? Huh? So you're telling the first two, I'm telling the last two.
Okay.
Can I move on?
Yeah.
Then the last one is you can rationalize. You can perform. See, when there are square roots, right, you have to rationalize. I will show examples. Okay. The last one is you can end up with a small number by a big number. The last one, I can call it as for indeterminate forms. Let's say infinity by infinity or 0 by 0, let's say 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, all this, right? This one you can use L'Hospital's rule. We'll see what are they. Okay, that's the name of the mathematician. So basically when you work out using algebra, right, the limits, it's easy. First you direct substitute and find out, otherwise you factor, and as you say, factor, cancel and substitute. Okay, then if you see square roots, right, you will have to rationalize it and try simplifying it and then make substitutions. Last one, for indeterminate forms, we'll use L'Hospital's rule. Okay, so let's go one by one. We'll do all of the problems. Okay, how about this? X square plus 2x minus 4, limit extending to minus 1. X square plus 2x minus 4. How do you find the limit? Meaning the function is x square plus 2x minus 4. So limit extending to minus 1. We have to find the limits analytically. There is no graph given. So what will I do? Shall I try to substitute this and see? Minus 1 the whole square, 2 times minus 1 minus 4. I think that's easy here. 1 minus 2 minus 4. So 1 minus 6 minus 5. This is easy on you, right guys? So how about, this is directly substituting it. How about 3x minus 2 limit extending to 2. Square root of 3x minus 2 limit extending to 2. Extending to 2, square root of 3x minus 2. Do you think you can find this quickly? I think you can find it. You can find it quickly. See, the other way is, remember, you can always use the calculator, put it as a function and go to math and find the value. Do you remember that, or should I show you in the calculator? Should I show you how to type a function, go to math and then put your x value, it will give you the y value. Would you be able to do that, or should I show you in the calculator? Guys, you have to tell me, guys. What was the answer? Do you want me to show in the calculator, or you're good?
We're good.
Okay. Okay, that's nice. This is good. This is easy one. Okay. How about this? Sometimes if you're given a lot of polynomials, right, you need to factor out, cancel and substitute. Can we try that? Factor out, cancel, and then you do the substitution. Can we try that? Let me clear the screen. I don't know if I can copy paste. Okay, how about this? Can we try this one? So here, as soon as you see it as a numerator denominator, but clearly x is everywhere. Do you see? So what I would do here, I would take x as common. 4x minus 5 divide by x. X and x will get cancelled. Now you factored, you cancelled. Now you substitute x equal to 0. Then what happens? Answer is a minus 1. Like that. Can you do this one for me? What did I do? Minus 5, right guys? I'm lost. Arush correct. Manav correct. Parvini, that doesn't seem right. Did you check, ma? What is the answer for that? Again? Krish, did you get the answer for the second one?
I'm working on it.
Okay. Yeah, it's not a hard one. You just factor it out. Quadratic equation, right? Quadratic function, right? The numerator. So you just factor it out, cancel common terms, then you just directly substitute the value. You get it. Next one is slightly harder.
I
AB
sent.
goes, yeah, AB goes much slower than BC is what I am seeing, which is good for you guys. Parvini, that's not correct, ma. How did you get it? Yeah, that's right, Trish. Parvini, I'm going to do it for you. Parvini, quick. Okay, 2x square plus 13x, 14, right? 14 means plus 14x minus x, right, ma? For 13x minus 7, 2x square, x plus 7, right? Take out all this, ma. This is not there. Now, what happens? Take 2x as common, x plus 7. Take minus 1 as common, x plus 7. Divide by x plus 7. Now, 2x minus 1, x plus 7. Divide by x plus 7. Did you get it right, Parvini? Now, limit x tending to minus 7, right? If you put a minus 7 times 2 minus 1 is a minus 15, right, ma?
Yeah, I got it.
We'll move on. Okay, that we are done. But now comes the bigger part. Okay, how about this? I said whenever you see square roots, you might have to rationalize it, remember? So let's see this one. Would you be able to do this? Do you know how to rationalize it?
Don't we only have to rationalize if it's a square root in the denominator?
True, but yeah, true, but see, here what would happen if you have it as 5? You will get an indeterminate form first of all. Division by 0 will be there, right? So that is why you are trying to what is rationalizing means what, Arush? You're going to multiply it by the same square root or multiply it by the conjugate, right, Arush?
Yeah.
So that's what you need to do here. Basically, if you substitute directly, it's not going to work. You cannot factorize, meaning you cannot factorize the numerator as it is. So what is the best way? Can we try rationalizing means for the numerator? Let's say, can we multiply with the conjugate? Let's see. 1 second. I'll try. Hold on. Okay. So here, let me take this as A. Let me take this as B. There is a minus B, right? I want to do A minus B is already there, right? So why don't I multiply it with plus B, A plus B? Suppose if I do the same thing in here, right? The numerator becomes A minus B times A plus B. What is the formula for it? A square minus B square, right? A square minus B square, right? So A square minus B square, right? So divide by, oh, this is horrible. X minus 5 times square root of x plus 4 plus 3, right? Limit x tending to 5. See what happens here? Limit x tending to 5, x minus 5 by x minus 5, then square root of x plus 4 plus 3. This becomes a little complicated, right, guys? 1 divided by square root of 9 plus 3. 1 by... Do you see the difference? Do you see? Yeah, we are right, guys. So, do you see the difference? 1 divided by 3 plus 3, 1 divided by 6. Any questions? Don't get to division by zeros. Okay, that will be the obstruction when you get the limit. So how not to get that division by 0? These are ways which you can use. First, if you rationalize it, the numerator, right? Automatically, I understand denominator will be irrational, but when substituting, it'll be fine. It'll just be fine, and you will be able to find the limit. We'll do more problems. You'll know what to do when. Can I move on? Can I move on? Okay. The other one is even horrible. Let's see. How about this? We are entering into harder pieces, guys. Okay. So, let's see this one. I would really like you to try, let's see. I really would like you to try rather than me trying. Let's see. I'm going to change this. This one you're going to try by yourself. See if you can try. Limit. See, there are variables x, h. Does not matter. Okay. Still you'll get the answer. But your intent is you cannot directly substitute. Why? Because the denominator will become 0. That is basically an operation that is not defined. We don't want to get there. So how can I make what? Is there a way for me to factor and cancel? There is no factoring as is possible, but then this x plus h the whole square formula can be applied. Let's try. So here, limit h tending to 0, x square plus h square plus 2hx. Yeah, I'm going to try. Minus 3x minus 3h minus x square plus 3x. Wow, this and this get cancelled. You see, x square and x square get cancelled. Divide by h is there. So let me keep going with this. H square plus 2hx minus 3h divide by h. Do you see? H can be factored off. So limit h tending to 0, h times h plus 2x minus 3 divided by h. You can factor it out and cancel. Now you can go ahead and substitute h equal to 0. It becomes 2x minus 3. Make sense, guys? Any questions here? Any questions? Can I move on? Guys, any questions? Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay. You know what? Let's see this one. How about this function? This is a good one though, but I don't know whether what you'll remember is what it is. Let's see. This is interesting. I'm going to ask you to do this one, okay? Because we have discussed limits last week. The only change is this is a piecewise function. But you know how to evaluate piecewise functions very well is my honest thought. Okay. I can make it bigger. I think it's too small as well for you to see. So f of x will be equal to 11 minus x. X is less than minus 5. X plus 3 by 5 minus x square for x greater than or equal to minus 5. Can we try this one, guys? So what I want to evaluate, I have to say what I want to evaluate, right? Limit x tending to, I want to evaluate, okay, let me show you. Let's see, limit x tending to minus 5, f of x is what I want to evaluate. Let me see if you are able to apply what we learned last week in this week. And a little bit on piecewise functions you need to be able to do. Let's see. Let me know if you need help, I'll help.
Oh, this is a bit confusing, but could we is it okay to plug in the vacuum?
Is it okay? Yeah, it is confusing. As we move up, it becomes a little confusing. Can we
I
plug in
was
the values?
confused on the substitution,
Okay,
what you
there
did
is
last
square
time.
root. There is square root, but if you substitute x less than minus 5, meaning anyway you will have to see if you want to find out limit extending to minus 5, right? We cannot directly find out. You have to find out the left limit and right limit. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, so when you find the left limit, the top equation should be applied. When you find the right limit, the bottom equation should be applied. The top equation, when you substitute x equal to minus 5, yes, it's still you have some valid value. The bottom equation, when you apply f is equal to limit extending to minus 5 plus, still you are going to substitute minus 5. So you get a minus 2 divided by a minus 20 is what I am thinking. So still there is some valid values. But how do you find the value of limit extending to minus 5 f of x? You will find the left limit and right limit easily. Piecewise function, so you'll have to use the first function for left limit, second function for right limit. After that, let me know, guys. If you don't know, just let me know. I don't know, then I'll do. Yeah, I can do. Okay, looks like you want me to do. That's fine. For this one, right? What I'm saying is they're asking to find the limit extending to minus 5. There is no left limit, right limit given. For you to find the limit values, limit when extending to one value, right, you will have to find the left limit and right limit, right? You'll have to find this first, then you will have to find this next, right? Then only you will be able to. For minus 5 minus, meaning a little less than minus 5, then which one will you use? You will be using this equation, right? That will be 11 minus x. Now you can directly substitute. If you substitute x equal to minus 5, it becomes this. So this is square root of 16, which is 4. Now, for 5 plus, which equation will be valid? Meaning a little after minus 5. You have to apply this. So what happens? X plus 3 divided by 5 minus x squared. So that would be minus 5 plus 3 is a minus 2. Then 5 minus 25 is a minus 20, right? Minus 2 by minus 20 is a 1 by 10. So do you see here? This is the left limit. This is the right limit. Are they both equal? No, they're not equal. As a result, what can I conclude? Limit extending to minus 5, which is right smack in the middle of the left limit and the right limit, right? So that does not exist. Any questions? Parvini, did you get it?
What if the case you just did, like what if it's x goes to -5, but like it's a rational function and -5 is like a whole or an asymptote? Like, I was a bit
Okay.
confused on
Okay, let's do that. Can you draw the function for me? Can you draw the function for me, Manu? You are asking good questions. Why don't you draw the function for me?
like
Let's see.
I saw at the very end. Like I didn't really get it that much.
Lila, no problem. Can you draw that for me? I'm okay to do it for you. You want to draw that?
I can't draw. I'm not. Actually, I see it now.
Okay, I don't mind drawing. Then input
It's
me
like
to.
this. It's kind of like what we just did, but over like, x minus 5, and it's
Well,
lim
the same
x.
thing we discussed, right?
Yeah, I was just a bit little confusing.
Oh, it was a little confusing for you, huh? So, okay.
Yeah.
So this I take it as A, this I take it as B. You see, in this case, what I can do, this is limit extending to 5 minus 5.
Just 5.
Just 5. Okay. So this is, see, anyway, I'll tell you, because you cannot substitute this directly because you'll get a denominator of 0, right? That's when I look at, okay, there is a square root. Can I make it not a square root? I'll think about it. How will you think about it? Take this as A plus B. Okay, when you want to remove that square root, right, you always multiply it by A minus B. Okay, you do this, but then it's a fraction, right? Do it in the denominator too. Make sense? So
Yeah.
numerator is A plus B, A minus B. A plus B and then A minus B. What is the formula? A square minus B square, right guys? So what is A square? You take the square root and just write 4 minus x. What is B square? 9. Am I making sense, Manav?
Yeah.
Denominator is, you will have to write everything, x minus 5, and then you will have 4 minus x minus 3. Now let's do this. 4 minus x minus 9 divided by, divided by x minus 5 times 4 minus x minus 3, correct? Now what happens? Simplify this to x minus 5. Divide by, see, that factor cancels out nicely. The x minus 5 factor cancels out nicely is what I am seeing. So now substitute x tending to, what did you give me? 5. When I substitute 1 divide by x tending to 5. Manav, is this the correct question? I doubt, Manav. 4 minus x or 4 plus x? I don't know. So if you substitute
I just made some numbers on the spot.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so I can call it as 4 plus x just for our meaning, just to make it sane. Okay, if I do that, right, 4 plus x, when I substitute 5 now, it becomes square root of square. Okay, you've just made up numbers. After that, what you do, you have to substitute this number into the radical and then find out what is the denominator. That is your answer. Make sense?
Yeah.
We'll do more problems, guys. I'll not let you go like this, okay? Meaning, we have discussed a lot of different scenarios, right? So, I'll not go to trig limits yet, okay? And next, what comes is there are special trig limits. For that, I really want to show you proofs and stuff. I'm not going to go there yet, okay? So, instead of going there, I really want you to be able to do these. Analytical limits. No, I'm not going to go to trig limits yet. Let's see. We'll do one of this. How about this? You need it big, right, guys? Okay, how about this? Try this one. Try this one for me. Let me know the answer. Can you do that?
Okay,
Try
add
this
a
one.
bit of water.
Did you get it? There are 2 questions, right? I'll help you guys. If you did not understand, please ask. See, if you didn't understand, as a team we fail. So please ask. We'll cover less, but we will be thorough with what we cover. That way you have a heads up from school from when you start school as well.
After the second one, can you check my answer? I don't think that's right.
What is it, ma?
I don't think my second answer is right.
Oh, sorry, you just sent it. I did not see the chat. Sorry. Okay, Krish. That's right, Krish. Arush, the first one doesn't seem right. Second one, let me check. I don't know. I think I have the answer. I can check. Second one is as well incorrect, Arush.
Let me check.
Yeah, I can help you too. That's what I'm saying, right? If you make a mistake as a team, we fail. So let's do it together. Yeah, ma. First one is correct, ma. Second one seems incorrect, ma. Krish, can I get your second one? You're stuck?
Yeah, I'm stuck.
Okay, let's see. First one. Okay. See, the thing is, I cannot substitute this directly, so that's ruled out. So I'll start rationalizing. Okay. Let's see. How to do? I'll take this as a minus b. Okay. I have to multiply by a plus b. When I multiply by a plus b, Manav, are you able to do Manav or no?
I got number 1. I don't know how to do number 2.
What is the answer for number 1?
Just 1.
I don't think so. Let's see. This is a minus b times a plus b, guys. What is a minus b times a plus b? There's a formula, right? A square minus b square. What is
Oh,
a?
wait. Oh,
A
I
square
forgot
minus
about
b
the
square means
number.
this, the whole square minus b square divided by this. You have to write it as it is, guys, because it's a little hard, I know, but that's what it is. Plus 5. Now see, the square and the square root get cancelled, so this becomes x plus 12 minus 5 divided by your denominator. I'm not writing the denominator, I'm writing it as denominator. So this one, x plus 12 minus 5 square, right? Plus 12 minus 25, so that is x minus 13. So this will get simplified to x minus 13 by x minus 13 times x plus 12 plus 5. However, there is a limit extending to 13 is there, right? So these two get cancelled. Then that becomes limit extending to 13 1 by x plus 12 plus 5. When I put a 13 here, it becomes square root of 25. So 5, this will become a 5. So 1 by 10 is your answer. Can I move on? Manav, did you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. Analytical limits become a little harder with the different approaches we have. So let me go ahead and do the second one. Second one looks like everybody is stuck. Okay, let's see. This one, limit h tending to 0. This one is a plus b the whole square formula. Okay, a square plus b square plus 2ab. This one you distribute, right? Minus 4x minus 4h. Again, you distribute the minus sign. That is very prone to mistake. Whenever you have that minus before the parenthesis, it's a killer because we'll forget. Minus 2x square, this minus and the minus will become plus. This is the major mistake. Even after this we'll see. Okay, divide by x. Now what happens? Let me rewrite this. Limit h tending to 0, 2x square plus 2h square plus 4xh minus 4x minus 4h minus 2x square plus 4x. See, many of them are getting cancelled, I'm seeing. You see, divide by h. Now limit h tending to 0. Let's see. I see 2h square, then 4xh minus 4h by h. Oh, this is so much simple now. H tending to 0, I see h everywhere. So let me take that. This becomes 2h plus 4x minus 4 divided by h. Factor out the h and substitute the 0. When you substitute the 0, this term entirely becomes 0, and what we are left with is this. Any questions, guys? Any questions?
No.
Krish, did you follow?
Yeah, I understood.
Okay, so we'll use a lot of the previous formulas that we studied is what I feel. Maybe we'll do one more. I don't know how to do this. Let's try this one. It's interesting to see one. Okay, I don't have a solution for this, but I do have an answer. Let's see. I don't know. Root and okay, let's see. Let's see. We'll do this and see. Then only we'll know where we are, right? How about this? You want to try this one for me? And one more we'll try. One more with the double variable we'll try. Arush, is that right? For some reason, the key says it's incorrect, but I can check. I don't know.
Sorry, I meant to put it in the denominator.
Which one in the denominator?
Here.
Which one in the denominator? Something feels wrong to me. I don't know how to say, but we can check. But, yeah, put it correctly. Let's see. We'll just understand clearly how to do this and then log off. Okay, the one more two variable thing we'll learn. Okay, because today I thought I'll go to continuity itself. We didn't even go to asymptotes. That's okay. Maybe I misjudged, I think. Okay.
I meant for this one.
Yeah, this one, Arush. Yeah, Arush. In mathematics, you can never send answers with irrational denominators. Remember?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Yeah, that's so important. Okay, that's good, Parvini. Same, Krish. You cannot send answers with irrational denominators.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
No problem. Okay. Manav, did you get or do you want me to work that out?
I think I got it. My answer was correct, right?
Oh, your answer was not correct. Was that 0?
Yeah.
No. Manav, it's very deceptive, right, Manav?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is deceptive. Let's try it, Krish. Okay, maybe I'll work it out quickly. Maybe for the others, I can give the other problem so that you don't have to wait much.
I don't understand how it's not 0.
How
It
it
doesn't
is?
make sense.
Okay, there are some hard problems in the homework. Okay, try doing that. We'll do one here. Okay, I will do it with you now. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, let's try that one. Manav, I'm going to do it for you. The others can do this. Okay, this one let's do Manav. Limit extending to 0. I'm going to see, as soon as I see this, I cannot go ahead and substitute. Okay, when I see square roots, I will have to rationalize. There is an a minus b here. So I will multiply with a plus b, a plus b. Okay, so if I do that, the answer is a square minus b square, right? I'll get a square minus b square, I'll get. Okay, that's good. Denominator will be x times a plus b. A plus b means this plus square root of 10. Okay, now this and this will get cancelled. Again, this and this will get cancelled. Limit x tending to 0, 1 by square root of x plus 10 plus square root of 10. Here, if I start putting up 0, right, directly I can substitute, right? 1 by 0 plus 10 will be here, plus square root of 10. That is 1 by 2 square root of 10. However, this I cannot send as the answer, right, Manav, because numerator has an irrational square root of 10. So multiply, again rationalize square root of 10 by 2 times 10, which is square root of 10 by 20. Any questions?
That makes sense now. I forgot about the x at the bottom.
Oh, I see. This one now? This one, right?
Yeah.
This one you mean? Okay. Yeah, and as we move up, yeah, it becomes subtly difficult. Okay, let's see. How about this? Did you all solve? This is, see, the thing is, the base foundations, if you're good, right, to take LCM and all, then it becomes very easy. You cannot directly substitute this. You will have to do something else. I don't know what you will do for this one. Let's see. However, you cannot substitute h equal to 0. So, did anyone get the answer?
Still working on it.
What is, yeah. Arush, you're working on it, you're saying? Okay. You want me to work it out on the board? That also tell me, because if any of you don't know how to do it, then no, we have not gone through it properly. That's what it is. Parvini, there should not be any. There should not be any h, right, Parvini, because h is tending to 0. But something feels wrong to me, ma. Something feels wrong to me. Do you want me to wait or can I do it on the board, guys?
Can you do it?
Yeah. I have one more answer. Let me check that answer. Not really, Arush. I don't think that's the answer. Okay, unless the key is wrong. We can check. Wait. We'll check it together. Let's see. So basically, first thing what I see, you can take LCM here. Okay. So the LCM would be what? I am not able to write. Limit h tending to 0. So the LCM is 2 times x plus h times 2x, right? Numerator would be 2x minus, this will go here, 2x plus 2h will go there, divide by h. Here, see the negative in front of the parenthesis is a killer always. 2x minus 2x minus 2h divide by 4x times x plus h, divide by h. Now what happens? Limit h tending to 0. There is only a minus, see minus 2 and 4 are there, right? I can just simplify to minus h by 2x times x plus h, right? Divide by h by 1. So that I can write it out as h tending to 0, okay? Minus h divided by 2x times x plus h. There is division of fractions, right? Times 1 by h. So h and h will go. Now that becomes limit h tending to 0. What happens? Minus 1 by 2x x plus h. This is good now. You can substitute h equal to 0. Thereby your value evaluates to minus 1 by 2x square. I just want to check the answer, guys. 1 minute, wait. Yeah, that's correct. Minus 1 by 2x square. Does that make sense? Where is it not making sense? If you could tell me, I'll explain. Did you get it, Krish?
Yeah, kind of.
No. Where is that? Kind of means, please tell me where. Meaning the LCM part you're not understanding?
Like I get it, but I'm not sure if I would be able to like.
Oh, reproduce it, is it?
Yeah.
I see. Which part?
I think
Where are you getting stuck? If I delete this, where are you getting stuck?
like starting it.
Starting it. Okay, see. Okay, suppose if you have 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, where will you start? You'll go ahead and add, right? You cannot add unless they have common denominators, right? For common denominators, what do? Here, there is no way, nothing is common here. You just multiply all of it together. That's so much easier. You see?
Yeah.
Now, for this denominator, to have this denominator, you multiply the numerator by 2x, denominator by 2x, correct?
Yeah.
So this upper numerator becomes 2x. Here, for this denominator to have this denominator, you multiply everything by 2 times x plus h, correct? So the same thing you do here. So that becomes 2x plus 2h. The minus you copy, this becomes 2x minus 2 plus 2h. Now distribute the negative sign. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Now it makes sense.
Okay, Arush, did you get it?
Yeah.
Not really.
I think I made an arithmetic mistake.
No, even if you made a mistake, now did you get it after explanation?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see, guys. Homework, please, meaning homework is actually involving trigonometric limits as well. Please don't touch any trigonometry problems, okay? Without the trigonometry problems, finish the other ones, okay? Trigonometry problems, I really want to go ahead with some proofs as well, okay? Proofs are not given. I want to show you in the class why those trigonometric limit rules are being used. How, why, how did we arrive at the rules? So first we'll deal with it and then you can go ahead with trigonometry problems. For now, you'll just do the homework wherever trigonometry is not involved. Any questions? Okay, I'll stop here, guys, and I'll see you all next week. But please go over the homework and then come back to class. Okay? Any questions? Stay. Otherwise, we'll see you next week.
Bye, thank you.
Bye, guys.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma'am.
Bye.
last question.
Bye, ma'am. Yes.
Oh,
The one we just did. I
Yep.
didn't get it after like the last step when you simplified it down to negative.
Okay.
To
So you
H.
got how to take LCM, right?
Yeah.
So you got this, right?
Yeah. I did all that, but I made a silly mistake somewhere along the way. So
No. After this, you put minus 2h by 4x times x plus h divide by h, right, ma? There's a division by another fraction, right?
oh, I forgot the other H.
Yeah, that becomes times 1 by h. Make sense?
Oh yeah, I see it.
You got it?
Yeah. Thank
Good.
you.
Good. No worries. Bye-bye. Have a nice
Bye-bye.
day. Bye.
You too.
Miss Priya,
Yes, Arush.
from next class, would it be possible to do it like a bit earlier or a bit later?
A bit earlier than this time, huh?
Or later, I don't mind.
Or what?
Or a bit later.
A bit later, huh?
It doesn't matter for me. It either works.
Oh, either works. You're stuck with a conflict?
Yeah.
I feel like running away. Let me try. You meaning a bit later is hard, ma. Now the time is 10:15 for me.
Okay.
Okay. So a bit earlier I can do. Next week itself you have the conflict, huh?
No, just like next week I'm fine. Like the week after that.
Or the week after that. Or every week you have the conflict.
No, like every week after that one. Sorry, I have something in my tooth. Like I'm getting braces, so
I'm sorry. I understand.
yeah.
I hope you feel better, but from the next week you have a okay. Why don't we discuss this next week in class? Can you shout out? You're only 4 of you, right? Why don't you shout out? All are nice people, so if you can shout out, I'll definitely ask in class. Does that do good?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Works.
we will make it work somehow.
Okay.
Bye bye. Bye bye.